It is, my friends, that time again. Day 39 of 100 Days of Codes. God save our queen. It had to be done. Day 39. It's the first day of the bank holiday weekend in honor of our precious queen. So, day 39 of 100 Days of Code, we know that it is all about the different precious rules where one, we code 1 hour a day. Even if we're celebrating the Queen's Platinum Jubilee, we still code 1 hour a day. We do it anyways. Number two, we keep ourselves accountable publicly on Twitter and on LinkedIn and places like that. Number three, also what we do is we give you guys our thoughts and our feelings. Thoughts and feels all happen. It's all wonderful and all goods. So, even though it's been a day off from boot camp, from School of Code, which I am now on cohort 12. I'm a part of School of Code, which is the best boot camp. It's a free boot camp in the UK that you can do. It's completely free. It's 16 weeks and takes people from all different diverse backgrounds and gets you into a job in tech. Super, super cool. So, we're now on we're about to be in week 7. We've just completed week 6, but we still have some recap tasks because we haven't been able to sort of finish our week as normal because of the bank holidays due to the Platinum Jubilee, which is wonderful. So instead, what we've been doing is recap tasks. So what did we do today? What did we do? What did we get up to? Well, what didn't we get up to? Looked after the kittywinks, which was awesome. Got to spend some time in the sunshine. It's been really beautiful weather. So we've been enjoying some glorious sunshine, but still we got in our hour, maybe an hour and a bit, hour and a half in. And so we worked on the task from yesterday. One of the things for the recap task was to sort of finish off or get a better understanding of what we did yesterday, which was sort of looking at sort of the same sort of super test and create tests for API sort of processing CRUD processes, and to do it for get and to post and delete and all these different things, and create tests for these things for different paths like users, to be able to get like a success for it being passed in for the body structure and lots of cool stuff like that. So we had to do it pretty much from scratch. We had to change into the file that we were working with. So for example, we had task 1, you had to change into that folder and install npm I into that one. You had to do the same in task 2, you had to change into the folder and do the same sort of things just to make sure your dependencies and everything was in order, modules were in order. And the same thing for task 3. So we got a couple of the tasks done, which is awesome, fully done, fully finished. And it had to do with sort of the different pathways and sort of what results you're getting back. And we created a plan, broke it down, and sort of followed that today. So that was what we did today. And we also took a look at sort of a preview, which is in our recap task of looking at React. So I looked at the 100 seconds of React and all those different things as well. And that was super cool to see what React can do, how it sort of is like before in week, I think it was week 2, we did like DOM manipulation in vanilla JavaScript, where React it sort of creates sort of a sort of like a mirror image of virtual DOM, and sort of I don't quite understand fully how it works just yet, but sort of it works with the components of what you're working with as opposed to lots of little mini elements, and everything sort of reacts to the changes that you make. And it looks really interesting. You've got like bits where you sort of can change things with the HTML in certain ways, but do it in a different way, and all the components react to that. So I don't fully understand it yet, but it is really interesting to me. And they also have it was developed by Facebook, and you can also find ways to sort of do things natively with React Native as well. So we can develop like mobile apps and things like that. So that sounds really, really interesting. So yeah, we had a lot of fun doing those things today, learning things and growing in our knowledge and getting excited about React and what we can do as sort of both sides. So yeah, and I know React is very much in demand. In some of the videos they were showing how sort of some of the top. Oh, and also that React is not a framework; it's a library. So you can import React into what you're doing, sort of like you can with other sort of npms. You can actually import it into the file, and you can use the library that goes along with that. So that was very fascinating to me and very interesting. And obviously you have things like Angular and Vue, which are very big as well. But React is becoming huge because there's so much of a support stream. Facebook still actively uses it. Instagram uses it as well. So obviously you've got the React Native app. There's a massive community. So seems like it's something that's not going away anytime soon. And I'm just excited that we're going to be learning it and we're going to be getting to grips with it. And I think it's just going to make things a lot, I want to say easier, but it's going to make things very interesting. Let's put it like that, because it may not be easier. But we will see. We will see. I'm very excited to find out more, so I'll be checking out more over the next few days before we start on Monday. But anyways, guys, that's day 39 of 100 days of codes, and it's got to be done. Once more, day 39, 100 days of code, signing out. Day 39 once again, my friends. We will get there together. Give me Code Wars or give me death. I'm just kidding. Oh, great. Anyways, guys, celebrate coding. Celebrate life. Celebrate the pursuit of happiness. And celebrate our queen. And celebrate JavaScript. Until next time, day 39, Kendall, signing out. God save our queen. Laters, guys.